Heard of pills shaped like Barack Obama? Diddy had them, and his assistant just confirmed it in court. A courtroom shocker you won't believe. Stick around to find out what that might really mean. Diddy's trial has been wild. Sex trafficking, racketeering, explosive witness testimony. But this week, a former assistant dropped a bomb. He says Diddy carried ecstasy pills shaped like Barack Obama's face. And that shook everyone. Why? Because it hints at a secret link, one that could change how we look at Diddy, power, and politics. Today we dive into why this matters. Sean Diddy Combs is on trial for some of the most serious charges a celebrity mogul can face: racketeering, sex trafficking, transporting people for prostitution. As dramas go, this one's obscene in scale. There's testimony about freak-offs, drug-fueled sexual performances, abuse, threats. It's intense. But amid these bombshells, one detail stood out in court, a strange, almost random detail: Obama-shaped ecstasy pills. Why bring up a former president in a case like this? What does that detail do in a legal fight like this one? And is it just a weird quirk or part of something bigger? Let's unpack it. 1. What exactly happened in court? On May 20th, 2025, Diddy's ex-assistant, David James, took the stand. He described regularly bringing drugs like Percocet, Viagra, weight loss pills, sperm count supplements, and ecstasy to Diddy's hotel rooms. Cultifact.com+11, Reuters.com+11, Times of India, IndiaTimes.com+11. Then came the jaw-drop moment. There were various pills, but one was in the form of a former president's face. When asked which president, he replied, President Obama, Times of India, IndiaTimes.com+7, People.com+7, TheDailyBeast.com+7. High-quality pills shaped like Obama's face, carried by Diddy. That's not some random story, it's real testimony under oath. 2. Why this mention matters? You might ask, so what if it's a pill? But remember, in trials, every detail can be used to build or break credibility. This pill mention connects Diddy's personal life to wider cultural and political references, shows how deeply embedded drug culture was in his regular routine: drugs, sex, power. Opens questions. Why choose Obama's face? Was it a branding joke, a statement, a bizarre flex? This isn't about drug charges. He's not facing possession, but about building a picture of influence, taste, maybe ego. 3. Does it mean Obama was involved? Social media went nuts. Obama and Diddy's secret hookup, big claim, but this was debunked. PolitiFact says no evidence Obama ever met Diddy's dealer or took pills with him. YouTube.com+11, PolitiFact.com+11, People.com+11. ABC 10 News clarifies that only the pill shape was mentioned, no meetings, 10news.com. So, no secret deals or meetings, just pills shaped like Obama. 4. But why Obama? Court coverage suggests Diddy idolized Obama, he publicly praised him, joined Vote or Die, got emotional during Obama's campaigns. Yahoo.com, +6 Reuters.com, +6 Times of India. IndiaTimes.com, +6 Yahoo.com, +11 TheDailyBeast.com, +11 Times of India. IndiaTimes.com, +11. That fandom could have been the joke. Obama pill becomes a status symbol, an inside gag. Still, in court, it becomes evidence, showing Diddy's mindset, influences, how he curated his image, and his private addictions. 5. Bigger effect on the trial. This pill detail came alongside heavy testimonies. Cassie Ventura, his ex, talked about physical abuse and blackmail. Dawn Richards said Diddy punched Cassie in front of Usher, others. A dancer described exploitation at those freak-off parties. PolitiFact.com, +7 Reuters.com, +7 Pages6.com, +7 TheDailyBeast.com, +3 People.com, +3 FoxNews.com, +3 Each layer builds a tapestry. Drug-fueled parties, threats, power moves. The Obama-shaped pill adds color to that tapestry. 6. Public reaction and why news outlets jumped on this. Major outlets covered it. Reuters ran a factual summary. Diddy took ecstasy shaped like Obama's face. Reuters.com. The Times of India noted the startling revelation and how it added to the trial's sensationalism. timesofindia.indiatimes.com. People.com listed the mix. Percocet, Viagra, weight loss pills, sperm count meds, and the Obama-eyed ecstasy. YouTube.com, plus5people.com, plus5thedailybeast.com, plus5dailybeast connected it to Diddy's earlier praise of Obama and his political involvement. Pages6.com, plus14thedailybeast.com, plus14yahoo.com, plus14 News Landscape. This pill moment was weird, headline-grabbing, yet not carte blanche to smear Obama. It was about Diddy's vibe. Picture the courtroom. David James tells the jury about Diddy's pills. He says, "One looked like Obama's face." The room gasps. No one expected politics in this wild entertainment trial. It becomes a pivot point. Not for criminal charges, but for narrative. Diddy regularly mixed sex, drugs, power. He made cultural flexes, even referencing presidents. It shows his deeper relationship with excess. It sticks in jurors' minds. Obama pill guy makes him larger than life, mysterious and out of touch. This moment makes prosecutors' image of a decadent, controlling Diddy jump from words into something tangible and unforgettable. Let's recap what this means. Diddy's trial already has shocking allegations. Criminal, emotional, exploitative. But adding a bizarre detail, a pill shaped like Obama, makes the portrait more vivid. No, it doesn't imply Obama did anything, but it shows Diddy's world, wild, symbolic, extreme. In trials like this, details like that stick in jurors' minds, affecting credibility, shaping narratives beyond legal arguments. This pill isn't the top charge, but it's the kind of weird moment that can tilt how people feel about a defendant. So, yeah, it's a bizarre subplot, but in the context of a trial full of freak-offs, threats, and celebrity drama, it matters. Let's like this the next video to find out what Cassie Ventura just shared under oath. Let me know if you'd like scripts diving deeper into Cassie's testimony, Usher's role, or the freak-off party's timeline.